Do you have a question that you cannot find the answer to on our website? The ISS office at CSUF is here to help you. To start off, please go to our website as shown here. Then click on the Advising tab. We now have same-day 10-minute virtual appointments which are available Monday through Friday at certain times. To make a same-day virtual drop-in appointment, check this web page 30 minutes before the drop-in advising start time, as shown here. You will see the appointments appear in this section here. Unfortunately, if no appointments show or it says no times are currently available, they are already taken for that day, so please try again on the next day. If you know you're going to need an appointment at a future date, then schedule a future appointment by going here. Thank you.